Hey guys, you are watching Holo Education Services, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can make a professional cover letter within 2 minutes. We will use ChatGPT to make this cover letter. So open your Google Chrome and type here ChatGPT. After that, click on this link ChatGPT. So we have to type a prompt here. As you can see, I typed my name is Ahmed Jamil and I want you to make a professional cover letter for a job. I'm applying for an aged care. Here you can type your profession and your position, and here you can type the company where you are applying, and here you can type about your experience. Okay, so as you can see, I typed a message where I am telling ChatGPT who I am and for which purpose I need the cover letter. So after typing your message, you have to click on this button, or you can just enter using your keyboard. So as you can see, ChatGPT gave me a cover letter. We just have to copy our cover letter from here. Then you have to open your Word, choose a blank document, and you can paste it here. So now you can mention your address here, city, email, phone number and date, and here you can enter your company name, company's address, company's postcode. I recommend you to read it carefully, so if there are any mistakes you can adjust that. Here you can mention your previous company's name, or if you don't need this paragraph, you just have to select it and press backspace button, or you can just cancel it. As you can see, this is a cover letter. You can adjust it according to your needs. This is how you can make a perfect cover letter within 2 minutes. So once you are done, you need to save your document. You can save it anywhere in your laptop or PC. Once you save your document, you have to convert it into a PDF format. For that, just open Google and type here Word to PDF converter. Then choose any of the following websites, or you can just choose I love PDF and select the Word file. And then you need to click on the download PDF button. After that, you can save it anywhere in your computer. And see, we have successfully converted our Word file into the PDF file. And this is our cover letter. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a new thing today. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.